Hard disk drive install. You will need to wear some kind of SD protection during this install. Slide the hard disk drive into one of the drive bays. Locate the bag of screws that came with the chassis or the hard drive. We are going to use 4 coarse thread round head screws to install the hard drive. Align the screw holes in the side of the hard disk drive to the drive bay screw holes in the frame. Adjust the hard disk drive in the drive bay to help guide the screws into the side of the hard disk drive. Tighten the screws one at a time if the screw isn't straight. This is one side of the chassis. Finish mounting the hard disk drive into the frame with 2 screws on the other side. Using the SATA connector on one of the power branches, plug it into the SATA power connector on the rear of the hard drive. The SATA ports or connectors are keyed in the shape of an L or the number 1. Locate the SATA data cable that came with your system board or your hard drive. We are going to install it in the first position of the system board. Place one end of the SATA data cable into SATA 1 port. Place the other end into the rear of the hard drive in its SATA data port. Next, we'll hook up our main power branch to our system board and our CPU 12-volt power to our system board.